It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. It comes with great features you'll love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auto shift manual transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, smart device remote engine start, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.